Hello, welcome to Crystalfish Technologies. I am Tejas Gandhi. Today I am here to record a small short tutorials to display how this advertisement management system works. Advertisement blocks are something that you can sell on your website or a blog and monetize, basically earn income, make a generate income basically out of it, out of your blogs and websites. So as you can see here, I have created one advertisement demo page. This ads can be placed anywhere across your website, top of the website, on the sidebar of the website, or on the main page of the website, wherever you wish to. Okay. As you can see here, there are three blocks. One advertisement I have already uploaded for the purpose of the demo. Basically, you can see here there are three blocks. Let us get into the backend quickly and see how this system works. As you can see, on the control panel, left side menu, on the bottom you can see the option of add. It has three further sub options: manage, add/edit, and settings. So before we start uploading images, let us look into the settings. These settings are to be set just once, then you don't need to touch them unless you want to make some changes to it. Okay, there are a few options: orientation, number of slots, add order, widget title, sales page, expiry details, default style sheets, and default advertisement image, etc., etc. We will look at one by one. First is orientation. Orientation can be one column or a two column. One column means it will be just one column, this, and two column here, that means multiple columns. Here as you can see, there is one column, column 2, column 3. Okay. Number of slots. The reason why you can see here three blocks is because I have mentioned here, specified three options. Suppose if I mention 4 or 5 or 10, whatever, it will display the same, but for this demo purpose I'll stick to 3. That is fine. Add order, normal and random. This I'll get back to this later. First of all, we'll continue with the other settings, and I'll show you how to upload advertisement, and then I'll show you what is the difference between normal and random order. Widget title. Here suppose if you want to give some title, say advertisement, hit save changes. Now I refresh the page, see what happens. You'll see a title advertisement over here. So this is what it means. If you don't want to have any title, you can just leave it blank. It is fine, no issues about that. Sales page. This is again optional. If you have a sales page, then what will happen is that it will, all the visitors, whenever a visitor is clicking the ad, it will be redirected to this particular link. Default style. This is something you should not touch unless you have bit knowledge of styling and styling the sheets and everything. Okay, so keep it checked off by default, otherwise everything will not be displayed here correctly. Next is expiry email and pre-expiry email reminder dates. What here it says that remind me 2 days before ad expires. What happens actually in this system, a cutoff date is mentioned. System checks with the system date, current date, and 2 days before expiry date, system will send email onto this email address. The demo here, demo email address, this is not my correct email address, so please don't send any mail to this address, otherwise it will be bounced back. This is just for the demo purpose. I have written here expiry@tgwebco.com. So here If you want reminder before 3 days, you can keep it 3 days. Otherwise, for demo purpose, yes, I have just mentioned 2 days here. That's fine. Default ad image. Now this is the URL, this is the link that displays this default advertisement image. The one you can see with written advertise here with the gradient light gray background. After setting up all the settings, hit save changes. So now the settings are saved and you are good to go. So now let us add one advertisement. So I'll hit add oblique edit button. Name. Whose ad is this? Your client name. Actually this is for your reference. It has nothing to do with the kind of advertisement displayed or caption or anything else. Nothing. This is just purely for your reference. Here I'll be mentioning demo 2. Now this is very important. Slot. As you can see, we have 3 slots. Why 3 slots? Because when we made the settings, we mentioned slot to be 3. So it is showing here 3 slots. If you would have mentioned 5, then it would have been displaying 5 options here. Now my first advertisement, this, it is displayed on the slot number 1. So now for this second advertisement, again if you select the same advertisement slot, then it is not going to display. It won't show any error once at the time of saving of the ad, but at the same time here it will not be displayed. Only one ad will be displayed out of the 2 because you have selected the wrong slot. So be careful while selecting the slot. So now slot number 2 I am selecting. Target URL, nothing as of now because this is just a demo. Expiry. Here you have 4-5 options. If you want to remove this particular ad or deactivate this particular ad manually, you can select I'll remove it manually. Else if you want system to do that for you automatically, then you select duration 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days. Other than this duration, if you want for say 15 days, then you select other, say 20th of April, then mention the date. This means this particular ad demo 2 will be automatically deactivated on 20th April 2014. If you want to track number of clicks to this particular ad, you can keep this button check off, else remove this. As of now I'll just keep it as default. Add image. Now here you have to upload the image that you want to display it over here. So what I'll do, I'll click upload image. I have already uploaded couple of images for the demo purpose, so I'll just click to media library. Otherwise, if you want to upload a fresh image from the computer, then from computer select file, select the image and click open. For this demo purpose I have already one more image saved, so I won't add more images. I'll just click onto media library. This is the image logo. To insert this existing image, what I will do, I'll click the show button, scroll down. Here again one more important thing, if you see this field blank and if you insert this image will not be displayed here. So it is very important that you have URL link path to this image. In other words, you have to have mentioned here what is the path of this image in order to display. You don't have to memorize all this, you just need to click this button file URL and system will automatically pull off from this destination. Now here you have this image path. Fine, proceed further. Alignment, none, left, center, right, whatever you want, you can choose. Size, I'll keep it simple, 200 by 200 pixels thumbnail. You can have full size or any other size, but then it will not be displayed properly. It is very important that this block's size and your image size matches. Otherwise, as you can see, this image is bigger than this block, so the entire image is not being shown if the image size is bigger than this particular block. As of now, I'll just stick to thumbnail and hit insert into post. So now you have that image link over here. Now hit save ad. That's it. Your ad is uploaded. Now when I refresh, this new advertisement should be here. See, very simple system, easy to use. Anybody can easily use following a simple instructions. This is the way how we can add a new advertisement. But suppose if we want to make some changes to existing, then what? Click manage. Here you will see all your uploaded advertisement. Suppose if I want to make changes to demo 2 or a demo 1, for example. Now what happens? This, suppose I want to show to slot number 3. Save changes. Now suppose if you refresh the page, this ad will be shown here because I have selected the slot number 3, say, and this will again become a default one. So this way you can edit existing advertisement. So this is the basically all about this advertisement management system that automatically detects, and on expiry date it will deactivate the existing advertisement automatically. So you don't have to bother about remembering the expiry date of each and every. Suppose if you have 10, 12, 15, 20 advertisement blocks on your particular page, you don't need to just remember the expiry dates. System is all set to do that for you. Hope you must have enjoyed this demonstration, this short tutorial. If you have any queries further, you can definitely drop an email to me on tejasbusiness@gmail.com. If you have liked this image, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and please give one thumbs up at the bottom. That will be really appreciated. Thank you.